So I had 2 triaxle loads of shale delivered. This is a good base material. It'll break down as you drive on it, but good for building up bases. So I got to build up a little bit of base in this building. So that's what I got this shale. I'll probably need more. I'm going to build up in front with the shale, and then I'm going to put 2B limestone on top of it. So I'm not putting concrete in here. The 2B limestone, if any water or anything comes in, it'll allow drainage, opposed to the 2A with the dust. I like the 2A better because it packs, but this the 2B allows drainage. So I got to build it up a good solid 15 inches in this front corner and probably about 10 inches on that side. So towards the back here, this is all gonna get shale on this left side, and I'll get as much as I need, but I gotta put hay in here in the next week or so. It's been ready to come off. I do have a little bit of stuff out here that needs moved. The Amish got all their materials right in front of the building. I could come at it from the back. I'm probably gonna bring my skid steer here though and knock this out because my tractor doesn't move around good enough.
Probably gonna pay me at least $5 to $10.
right, there's 2 piles here. You can't really see the one behind it, but 44 tons of shale, and it's probably not gonna be enough, but I'm gonna start. This side over here is a little over a foot low. Doesn't really need anything in the back, but the left side and the front needs to be brought up a good bit. So I'm gonna start shuttling in the shale, get that built up, and then we're gonna put a 2B limestone on top of it all. First thing I want you to do is move those doors over so I can back drag that door. And then get okay, so we got 44 tons of shale down. It's still a little low on this side over here. It still could come up another 6 inches, 5 inches, but I'll have another load of shale brought in, and I'll build up that corner down there. Everything else over there is about 4 inches low, and we're just gonna fill it in with 2B limestone. But this is a cheaper, nice base. I use this to build up pads to put parking on and or build garages on them. Shale packs really nice. It's kind of like a sandstone. So when you drive on it, it breaks up and packs in really nice and tight. And it's a really good base material. So we're gonna come probably this afternoon or tomorrow, and we're gonna put 2B down, 2B limestone, and start filling this all in so we can start putting hay in it.